Hey guys, this is Ryan Knows Crypto. Let's talk about a little bit what's in the news today. We got a couple stories tonight. We got the BITCONNECT shutdown. It's about time that finally happened. And a huge crash for January. Why the big drop? What happened? And what are we going to do about it? If this is your first time checking out my channel, guys, please like and subscribe. Hit those buttons below. I do come out with news stories quite often, but let's jump right in. Let's talk about these news stories. First thing up, BITCONNECT shutdown. Now, they stated here in this article that BITCONNECT shutters crypto exchange. In short, that they are closing their lending service and exchange service while BITCONNECT website will operate for wallet service, news and educational purposes, the post explained. Now, if you guys don't know about BITCONNECT yet, it's basically a giant Ponzi scheme that's been going around the internet, and people have been claiming it's a scam for a long time. Many people warned about it. The info was out there that this was a Ponzi scheme. As soon as I heard about it, I was looking for a way to short it. I really couldn't come up with a good way to do it. Best thing you could do is just warn people. I waved plenty of people off not to get into this. If a single person gets paid money that they are owed from this point out, from January 16th on forward, please let me know. I want to hear about it. Now, I just want to show you guys a picture pulled from the chat today. This was pulled from a Telegram channel, but it's basically a guy was saying that I just invested more than 100,000 last week with BITCONNECT. This is from my equity loan. Lost just like that in a week. Now, I covered this guy's name because he was using his real name, and I covered his picture just for his sake. If he wants to come forward and say what happened, he can feel free to, but I just feel bad when people get scammed like this. This guy took an equity loan out, probably on his house, dropped 100,000 in it, thinking that he'd have 200,000 1 year from now and probably pay off his house. Gone. And this is what happens with Ponzi schemes. As soon as people start laying down the big bucks, maybe they've got paid once or twice already, then they lay down the big bucks, and then they disappear. Alright, so let's take a look at what else besides BITCONNECT's been going on. Oh, let's take a look at the BITCONNECT coin. Let's see. Now, BITCONNECT had their own coin. If you just look at the 7-day chart here, it was probably trading around $320. If you look at the 1-day chart for today, traded around $320 at one point. Then it dropped down to $36, and now it's at about $37. So that's like a 90% drop in one day. This coin isn't even worth $37, it's worth $0 because it's basically a scam. If we try to go to the BITCONNECT website, well, it wasn't up earlier, but it seems like it's up. But like I said, I wouldn't expect to get paid from here on out. If you do have money on there, please try to get it out immediately. It's your only chance. Alright, let's look at what else is in the news today. Korea. Cryptocurrency investors, or the people, want to ban anonymous accounts. Another article claimed basically that the unnamed authorities said that cryptocurrency investors and traders will be allowed to convert their virtual accounts to real name accounts before the end of January. If this is not done, they will be fined. This is kind of like Swiss bank accounts. People want to have anonymous bank accounts, and eventually the government just cracks down on it because no one ever pays money, never pays taxes on their anonymous bank accounts. So let's see here, the crypto crash, Bitcoin sliding, beginning of the end or a test for hodlers. So another article said that the loss of confidence in Bitcoin is based on investor fears that South Korea, one of the largest crypto markets, could ban cryptocurrency trading. And that the finance minister there said banning crypto trading is still a live option. So why is Bitcoin, and why is the market crashing, and why do you see all this red? Well, I'll tell you what I think it is. Chinese New Year's. Now, if I pulled up this chart here, you guys can take a look at this graphic. It basically shows here 24 days for Asian New Year, big drop. 24 days before Asian New Year. This is 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. Big drops all the way around. And then 2018, 24 days before Asian New Year. That's January 23rd. So here's my theory on this, guys. If you were an Asian investor and you saw that all 4 years there was a big drop, and if you got your money out 23 days before Asian New Year, you took a big loss. Well, this is just someone trying to take advantage of the meta. I'm going to withdraw my money 1 week before everyone else. That way I'm not on the receiving end, because they're going to try to withdraw their money 3 or 4 days before this trend here. So is the fall over? No, I actually think it's going to go for another week. I wouldn't really like put my money in any significant way until January 23rd, January 24th, January 25th. Just based on the past 4 years and what's expected here today. So you guys are wondering, what's the deal with Asian New Year's, man? Why do they need all this? Why do they need their money out before Asian New Year's? Well, just like Americans like to get their money out right before Christmas time, Asians and Chinese like to get their money out for Chinese New Year's. And let's talk about some of the factors that go into Asian New Year or Chinese New Year. First of all, Asians like to pay off all their debts before the New Year. To me, that's a wonderful strategy. I think everyone, not just Asians, should embrace that. What do they do on Chinese New Year's? The whole family flies in from all over the world. Or you pack your whole family up and you fly to Macau, or you fly to the Bellagio and you do some gambling. And I'm not talking about poker, I'm talking about big bet pai gow. So what goes on Asian New Year's? Let's talk about it. There's a New Year's Eve dinner with the entire family. Then you have fireworks, big ones, not bottle rockets. We're talking about 100-foot long strings of red crackling fireworks. People spend big money on fireworks for Chinese New Year. And then there's a shou sui after your New Year's Eve dinner. So after you've eaten, you eat again and you drink more and you stay up way past midnight. More drinking, more eating, more fireworks. And the red packets. Red packets or red envelopes, if you guys seen those. Asian New Year, you fill those up with money and you hand them out to young couples, to young kids, to adults, to house owners. You hand those red packets out to everyone. It takes a lot of money to celebrate this. And then once you've stayed up, partied all night, and gave away lots of red packets of money, you have New Year markets. New Year markets is Asian Black Friday. You go get your electronics, you go get your Chinese lanterns, you go get whatever you want on sale. And then once you've given out all those, spent all that money, then you go give money to the monks, or you give your alms to the monks. So basically this is like Christmas time for the Asians, or December for us, where you end up spending a lot of money all at once. So it would make sense if all these people are taking out their sick gains and getting ready to spend them up. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but Asian people make up over 2/3 of the crypto market, and they're definitely over 2/3 of the Bitcoin market and the Bitcoin mining market. So if we take a look at the market real quick, let me just go ahead and refresh this so we got nice. You can just see that the entire board, across the board, is slaughtered. Everyone's down 20%, 25%, 28%. The only thing that looks like it's up is Tether. And Tether is just tethered to the dollar. It's a coin with no value. It just tries to stay as close as it can to a dollar. That just means everyone was cashing out. So if you don't take Tether into account, if you look down here, all the way down, this is 24-hour graph. Let's see, the first one who's basically at even, 0.09% is Ethos. Neblio is up just a hair. And out of the top 100 coins, you basically have one coin that broke even and one coin that's up. And 99 coins that are down. And guys, this is why it's very good to diversify your portfolios, because instead of having 1 or 2 coins that are down, you have 19 or 20 coins that are down. So what does this mean? What do we do? Well, the first thing I would do is I would just look for value coins. Coins that you think have a bright future. Just taking a look at this real quick. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Neo, IOTA. All these coins have wonderful plans. Dash, Monero, ETH Classic. So just take a look at these and find out which are the most solid coins, and you can get them at a tremendous discount. So this is the way I like to think of this. Say you're out and say you're out looking at Lamborghinis because you've been making a bunch of money, and you want to get the 2017 Lamborghini. When it came out was about $470,000, and now that 2017 Lamborghini is on sale for $399,500. What a deal, right? You may have saved about $70,000 or $80,000. So when you see that Lamborghini go on sale from $480 down to $400, at this point on, do you think all Lamborghinis are going to be $400 from now on? No. Because as soon as the new 2018 comes out, guess what we're back up to? $494. It's just giving you a chance to get it on sale. So just because it went down doesn't mean it's going to stay that way forever. It just goes right back up, and you have a chance to pick one up at a discount. So just think of it that way, guys. Get out of the crap coins. Find the solid coins that have the most future. IOTA here at 250 is a wonderful deal, I think. Ethereum and Bitcoin also trading at the $10,000 level. So you know it was at 20,000 just not long ago, and it's probably in 2018 gonna hit 25,000 or higher. So if you load up right now at $10,000, this is a great thing to buy. Alright guys, if you don't know, I got this website, Ryan Knows Crypto. I post up news articles, YouTube videos on here. Definitely come check me out, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll keep posting more videos. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. Check the links below. All the stories will be there. And have a good night. Safe trading.